Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Enjoying learning? In last lesson, we learned about the northern plains, the river basin, and the life of northern plains. Now, today we'll be learning about the climate of India. The climate of India mainly refer to the conditions of temperature and rainfall in a place. Based on our climate, India experiences three main seasons: summer, monsoon, and winter. The summer seasons. It begins in the month of March to April and extends up to July. Temperatures of northern plains and Rajasthan are hottest. The hilly areas are relatively cool due to their height. Therefore, people from the plains go to the hill station in summer. Hot dry winds, locally called Lu. Heat waves are common in northern plains. During this season, strong winds and hailstorms are also experienced. Due to its altitude, the plateaus in southern India is not as hot as northern plains. Now, students, do you know what is the meaning of altitude? Altitude means the height of a place above the sea level. The coastal areas have still lower temperature due to the cool sea breeze. Next is the monsoon season or the rainy season, which starts from mid-June and lasts up till September. The southmost monsoon winds carrying rain clouds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. The southern tip of India in Kerala, the monsoon cloud brings rain and relief from summer. By July, the entire country experiences rain. However, the rain is not evenly spread. The west coast and the northern eastern hilly areas receives heavy rainfall. For example, Meswaram and Chirapunji receives the highest rainfall, whereas in Rajasthan and Kutch receives very low rainfall. Whereas in the coastal areas also receives rain in the month of October and November. The plateaus of central India receives low to moderate rain. The northern plains and hills receives heavy rainfall. Now India being an agricultural country, the farmers mostly depend upon rains. But the monsoon winds fluctuate in their arrival and leads to flood or droughts. The cyclonic nature of the winds also cause heavy damage. Next is winter season. The winter starts by the end of October. The nights are longer and the days are shorter. The northern plains, mountainous areas and desert area experiences severe winters. January and February are the coldest months. But the middle of March it begins to get warm as the short season spring heralds the coming of the hot summer. To understand more, I am attaching the video. Kindly watch it. Thank you.
Seasons.
Mom, it is so cold here in Manali. See, Mom, it is snowing here. I will make my snowman.
Yes, Jasmine, it is winter season. It starts from November and continue till the end of February. Nights are longer than the days. The northern mountains and the northern plains are extremely cold, but the coastal areas enjoy pleasant weather. Jasmine, when a particular weather in an area continues to prevail for 2 to 3 months, it is called a season. Seasons differ from place to place. Jasmine, in India, there are 3 main seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. The 2 short seasons are spring and autumn. You have already experienced winters here in Manali. Let us know about summers. It begins in the middle of March and lasts till June in India. The hottest months of the year are May and June. Almost every part of India experiences hot and dry weather except the northern mountains. The days are longer than the nights. A hot, dry wind called the Loo blows over the plains. The southern part of India is less hot as it is surrounded by the seas. Cool breeze blowing from the sea keeps the area cool. The humidity in the air increases just before the rains. The other season in India is monsoon or rainy season. It starts from June and continues till September. In some parts, it begins in July. Winds blowing from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea towards the land are called monsoon winds. These winds cause rainfall in our country. Farming largely depends on monsoon rains. Distribution of rain throughout the country is uneven. The Himalayan region and the coastal regions receive heavy rainfall. Gujarat and Rajasthan receive less rainfall compared to the other parts. Monsoon in the Khasi hills of Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Parts of the northern plains and the southern plateau receive heavy rainfall. The Coromandel coast receives rain in November and December. Dry regions like the Thar Desert and the Run of Kutch receive little rainfall. Now let us explore the other two seasons, spring and autumn, known as short seasons. The spring season is the most pleasant season. It comes just after winter. Plants bear new leaves and flowers. Spring season falls between mid-February to mid-April.
I like spring the most as this is neither too hot nor too cold.
Autumn arrives after the monsoon season. Autumn season falls in the months of September and October. Autumn is the time for harvesting crops. Hence, we see the seasons changing throughout the year and they follow the same pattern.
Thanks, Mom. Now I know about the different seasons.
So, dear students, I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, and keep learning.